Okay, here's our next job in Somerset. So we're starting our cut. We got our stone in, so it's going to be the beige stone. But there is a ton of vegetation in here. And I mean a ton. All this, you can see my paint line. Everything inside the paint line we're paving, so we got to cut out all this vegetation, treat it, and then rebase it. And it's bad. I mean, at this point, you're mowing this. It's extensive. There's gravel in there, but it's just eat up with so much vegetation that it's got to be cut out. It's cheaper at $1,200 a load of stone to cut it out than to spend the time of cleaning it, treating it for manpower, and then chemicals. It's cheaper to just cut it out, chuck it, and then redo it. And you're still gonna have to treat it. So we got a massive, probably 70, 80 foot by 35 parking area right here. And then a 500 foot lane out to the road. And the entire lane in the center is vegged out. But it's a good hard packed lane. It's got a lot of dust on it, a lot of fines. So we're gonna have to clean all that up. We'll walk out here and they've already sprayed this. So we'll let, for the next couple hours, let the sun soak it in. It's already killing it, I can see it. You see the dandelions are turning black. Everything's turning black. But let's just get a good look-see at it before, and then we'll get some afters. What we're going to do, cut this out, base it in, 2 layers of pavement. So it'll raise the driveway up a good bit. It's slow now. $27,000 job. We're going to open these approaches here up. This one's good. This side here is vegged out and too low. Look at the neighbors. Look at the potholes. Jeez almighty, you'll get lost in them. You can't even see them through the... That's 1.5 feet deep. All of them. They're monstrous. All right. We'll come back at the end.